Hey guys, it's Hailey and I'm reporting to you live from my apartment here in Santa Barbara, which is why this tapestry might look familiar to you. I'm like starting to redecorate my place, and especially with the upcoming holiday season, I felt like this would be a fun vlog because this is my first like holiday season in my new apartment, and I've never really gotten to like decorate for the holiday season in my own place. I want to go to the store, buy some cute festive things, decorate, and I thought I would bring you guys along with me. Before we get started, I quickly want to mention that this video is sponsored by Bulldog skincare for men. I'm currently in the process of trying to figure out what I want to get for everyone, and I feel like guys are the hardest to shop for because they never really tell you what they want. I'm really happy to be working with them because if you've watched my channel this year, I've definitely become a lot more environmentally conscious, and I think when you are shopping this holiday season, it's important to keep that in the back of your mind. And sets make sense because they're usually a lot more affordable, and the person that you're gifting it to gets multiple things instead of just one. This set comes with a cleanser and a moisturizer. I'm gonna gift this to Tomas. What I really liked about Bulldog Skincare's purpose is the fact that they don't use like artificial coloring, they don't use fragrances. The products are completely vegan and they're a very environmentally conscious brand. And usually guys aren't like,
I have oily combination skin.
This is great because it basically goes for any skin type. So if you're looking for a gift for your special guy or your best friend, your guy friend, your brother, they are environmentally friendly, they're cruelty-free and sustainable. Bulldog Skincare,
A man's best friend.
this is the skincare duo, but they also have like shaving products if that's what you're looking for your guy. If you're in the US, you can get it at Walgreens. I know some grocery stores have it, or you can go on bulldogskincare.com. So if you are stuck on what to buy, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box down below so that you can shop for the males in your life. And going along with the environmentally friendly roll that we're on, I actually want to see what are some like sustainable ways to gift wrap things. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this very festive Hailey Sani edition vlog. Also, how cute are these? Anyways. Hey guys, so I'm joined here today.
You're joined here today?
You decided to join me?
I decided to join you.
So me and Tom, we're in the store and we're starting our festive shopping.
I'm getting pants.
Tom's getting pants for the Christmas party.
Too huge.
Get a smaller size, 32.
No, like this part. Like, what is this called?
Can you do a little dance?
Again.
No? Guess who picked me up in my car?
We're going to the store for homes.
Where you get the goods for your home. That's where we're going.
That's the store we're going to.
And buy some cute decorations for my apartment. Thank you. There's a lot of Christmas gift decorations. What if I just bought a big Santa Claus?
This one?
Yeah, I like that one. I feel like that's cute to be in the top of my coffee table. So what happens when you get all the way to the bottom? I want to get that. Ooh, do they have a pink one? I want some stockings.
It's kind of cute.
I like it. These, the pots and the pans.
Yeah,
I like this bow. I'll use it. I'm gonna buy this. It's a hot cocoa mix. Ow. Also just some random necessities since I'm still moving in. We have a drainer. This isn't very festive, but necessary. Really cute too. So I think I'm getting this pillow to either throw over my bed.
The blanket?
I think I'm getting this blanket to either throw over my bed or put it on the couch because it's really soft. And then I'm also going to try to find a matching pillow to it. Oh, there we go.
There, that's it. Good.
That's it. We can leave now.
Let's go home.
So I think we're going to buy this rug even though it's very last minute. I think that'll make everything a lot more cozy, warm, almost as tall as you. Oh, and I'm also buying this wreath. dead cockroach. Just kidding, it's alive. Come on, little guy. Here is the finished result of my apartment. I never usually decorate, so this was like a really out of the box, but like still really cute thing for me to do. Instead of using a lot of wrapping paper to wrap up the Bulldog skincare set, I just put this like cute bow on it and put this in a bag because I figured people usually reuse cute bags like this. That was like the best thing that I could do. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you to Bulldog Skincare for sponsoring this. Make sure you hit subscribe so that you can see my videos in 2020. That's crazy to say. And happy holidays from my home to yours. And Archie, that's his name, we've decided. I love you guys so much, all the way to Pluto and back. Bye.